Well, this is exciting. We planted this orchard, oh gosh, 5 or 6 years ago now, I think. We've got peaches and pears up there. We've got some cherries and apples. And we planted them in fall. We got a screaming deal on them from Tractor Supply. And so I was like, let's just plant them. But it's been the first year that we've gotten any apples. Now we have a lot of cedar trees around here. Let me see if I can point one out to you. Yes, this one right there, that's a cedar tree, which is also like the eastern red juniper, really, is its official name. But they have a thing called cedar apple rust, which is a 2-year thing. So it goes from the cedar tree to apples or pit fruits, infects them, and then the next cycle goes back to the cedar. Well, it hurts things in the orchard. That, and we also had a late frost the past couple years, so blossoms got killed. But look at this little tree. We've actually got some apples growing, and actually in a decent, a recognizable amount. So it's very exciting. We might have our first apple harvest, our first proper apple harvest this year. So how lovely. And then actually, let me take you over to one of the cherry trees, because we've been thinking these things haven't been bearing, but I just think they have been bearing, but just these tiny little, gosh, good for nothing things. Just all over though. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see. Those actually look pretty good. Anyway, so this is a little bit of the Fall Fortress Farm, and of course you can see my line of elderberries right there. I've got another line behind it, and I'm hopefully going to plant a third line next year so we can have lots of elderberry syrup and elderberry wine. Let's see how our raspberries are doing. Oh, this one's going gangbusters. We might have a whole bunch of raspberries this year. That will be nice. Cool beans!